The Golden State Warriors were bounced in the play-in tournament. Ngunit maaari silang lumikha ng bagong super team sa paligid ni Stephen Curry ngayong season. Ang Golden State Warriors suffered a disappointing end to their 2023-24 campaign. Pagkatapos magtapos sa ika-10 sa Western Conference by losing to the Sacramento Kings in the play-in tournament. With Klay Thompson's future in the air, and Draymond Green dealing with his own demons, si Stephen Curry was often left stranded trying to keep the dynasty alive. Despite the struggles of key players, maaaring hindi pa tapos ang Warriors. May isang superstar player na maaaring makuha ng Warriors this summer. That will almost certainly win next season's championship. His name is Giannis Antetokounmpo. Warriors receive Giannis Antetokounmpo. Bucks receive Andrew Wiggins, Jonathan Kuminga, Moses Moody, 2027 first round pick, 2029 first round pick, 2030 first round pick. Ang Golden State Warriors ay may pagkakataon na lumikha ng isang super team at potensyal na bumuo ng isang bagong dynasty sa paligid ni Stephen Curry sa pamamagitan ng pag-target kay Giannis Antetokounmpo. The Milwaukee Bucks face an early exit from the playoffs, particularly if their defensive shortcomings na pinatunayan ng kanilang 21st ranked defense ay magiging isang makabuluhang issue. Maaari itong mag-udyok kay Giannis na muling isaalang-alang ang kanyang future with the team. Dagdag pa sa haka-haka ay ang napapabalitang kalungkutan ni Damian Lillard living in Milwaukee. Kung mabibigo si Lillard na gumawa ng makabuluhang epekto sa playoffs, maaari itong higit pang magbigay daan para sa pag-alis ni Giannis at ano ang mas mahusay na destinasyon kaysa sa San Francisco. Nilinaw ni Antetokounmpo na that winning was his top priority before the Damian Lillard trade went through, stating his desire to win at all costs. Ang pagsanib puwersa kay Stephen Curry at isang potensyal na muling pumirma kay Klay Thompson sa Golden State ay maaaring maging perpektong akma para kay Giannis. There might not be a better on-court situation than Giannis playing alongside the Splash Brothers. Ang hakbang na ito ay bubuo ng dominanting Big Three at agad na gagawing championship contender ang Warriors. Ang defensive prowess ni Giannis ay maaaring makabuluhang palakasin ang ika-18 na ranggo ng depensa ng Warriors. Movement system could make them an unstoppable force on both ends of the floor. With Giannis on board, ang Warriors ay maaaring maging handa upang manalo ng titulo sa paparating na season, ushering in a new era of dominance for Golden State. Simula kay Stephen Curry bilang point guard, ang kanyang unmatched na shooting ability at playmaking skills ay continue to anchor sa opensa ng Warriors. Si Klay Thompson, isa sa Splash Brothers, ay magbibigay ng elite perimeter shooting at spacing na nagpapahirap sa mga depensa na double team si Curry or Giannis. Si Brandon Podziemski, isang bata at promising na prospect, would add another scoring threat and playmaker to the lineup. Ang kanyang versatility at kakayahang gumawa ng sarili niyang shot would fit well with the Warriors' fast-paced and ball movement-centric style of play. Si Giannis Antetokounmpo would bring a unique blend of size, athleticism, at kasanayan sa koponan. His ability to dominate in the paint, score in transition, at defend ang maraming posisyon ay magpapalakas sa opensa at depensa ng Warriors. Ang paglalaro sa tabi ng mga elite shooter tulad ni Curry at Thompson ay magbibigay daan din kay Giannis to operate more freely and exploit mismatches. Si Draymond Green, na kilala sa kanyang husay sa pagdepensa, basketball IQ, at kakayahan sa paglalaro, would continue to be the glue that holds the team together. Ang kanyang unselfishness and willingness to do the dirty work ay makadagdag sa mga scoring abilities ni Curry, Thompson, Podziemski, at Giannis. Sa overall, ang bagong lineup na ito ay magiging perpektong timpla ng shooting, playmaking, defense, at versatility. The players, skills and styles ay makakadagdag sa isa't isa, and under the guidance of head coach na si Steve Kerr, ang Warriors ay maaaring maging isang hindi mapigil ang puwersa sa both ends of the floor. Sa lineup na ito, walang alinlangang magiging paborito ang Warriors na manalo sa titulo ng NBA at posibleng magsimula ng bagong panahon ng dominasyon sa liga.